Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? If you can see me, give me a thumbs up, please. Guys, Monica, Nadia, Ash, hear me? A thumbs up. I can hear, see. Okay. I hope everything is okay. Give me perfect. Ed, welcome. Ed. Thank you. Thank you, Abdul Kader. So, guys, today we're going to talk about potential. Today is day 3 session and of a mind mass program. And let me quickly check my settings, just a minute. Hey, able to see you guys. I see from super. Perfect G. Okay. Perfect. All right. So am I audible? Am I audible? Is my voice clear and audible? Can you hear me? Sound? Yep. Mic testing. 1, 2, 3. All right. So I hope you're able to see me. You're able to hear me. So as welcome you all guys. Amit, thank you. Abhitu, thank you. Abdul Kader, you guys, for everyone joining the session. Kishan Kumar, Govind, Dari, Arthi, Sagar, As. Welcome you all one more time, guys. So today is day 3 of our session on mind mastery. We're going to talk about potential today, right? And before I go ahead into the topic, I want to introduce myself. Those who don't know me, my name is Prasad Ganiraj, and I am a trainer, facilitator, coach, and a servant leader. I like to help people. Right? And if you want to follow me, you can follow me on LinkedIn. So you can, if you see this profile on LinkedIn, I'll also give you my profile. Let me copy paste. You can search for Prasad Ganiraj, LinkedIn. You'll find my profile. Still, I will put that in the chat box for you. Right, that's my profile for you. Follow me, connect with me on LinkedIn. Okay, and I also have a YouTube channel called Prasad Ganiraj, influencer. So if you connect with me on YouTube, you can also connect with me on YouTube. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, Pantech Solutions, I request you to connect our channel where you can find all these learnings updated every back and learn. Okay, all right, guys. So that's about me. I'm a servant leader, L&D professional, facilitator, coach. Now, the question I want to ask you is, who are you? Who are you? Do you know who are you? And if you answer for this question, if you really don't know God, then this session is for you. This session is for you. You can find out God at the end of the session. And if you do what I'm asking you to do of the session, about God. This session for the next half an hour, we exactly have 25 minutes. I'm going to talk for next 20 minutes. And I will leave you with a note, find out who you are really. Okay. So number one, I go. What is potential? Let me define potential for you. what is potential? Any idea what is potential? If you know what is potential, uh, type in the chat box. Let me know what you think is potential. I will tell you what is potential. Let me hear from you. What do you think is potential? Quickly on the chat box, let me know what you think is potential. What is potential according to you? Sorry. Yeah. Math, Gulshan, Govindari, Kader, sorry, Abu Bakr. I'm sorry, Abu Bakr. I'm pronouncing it. That's capable of. Okay. So potential is what you. Hey, Rahim, that's a wonderful answer. I'm capable of. What are you capable of? That is potential. Wonderful, Rahim. Perfect answer. And Village Joker, our inner power in our work. Okay, that's an inner power. Perfect. Inner power. Village Worker, that's fantastic. And Abu Bakr says what you are capable of doing. Wow. So fantastic, guys. Still, if if you guys want to type, go ahead. Type. What do you think is potential? Perfect answers. All are perfect answers. Wonderful, perfect answers. Now, this is what I want to tell you. Potential. Potential is a seed of success. Potential is a seed of success. And this is what Mahatma Gandhi said. Mahatma Gandhi said the difference between what we are capable of doing would solve most of the world's problem. Gandhi said the difference between what we can do and what we do actually, what we are capable of doing, can change the world's problem. The question I want to ask you is, what are you doing and what are we capable of doing? There is always a difference, There's a lot of things we are capable of doing, but we end up doing very little, right? As Rahim said, as Village Worker said, as Abu Bakr said, you're capable. There's a capability, there's potential in you, seed of greatness in you, the seed of success in you, right? If you would use all that thing, you will have a successful life. You have a great life. You have an impactful life. Yeah, but what we end up doing, we end up doing very little. We do very little. So have you ever felt that you have done better in any situation? It could be a project, it could be exam, it could be a sport, a game, right? Let's say, if you're playing cricket, you went into a match and you fell short. The team lost. And have you ever felt, I could have done better, could have done more, right? And somebody hits us, comes first, or somebody gets recognized. And have you ever felt capable of doing more than that person? I have the capability. Have you ever felt that, right? And have you ever felt that I have an answer to the problem? You see a problem, right? And you feel like I have an answer to the problem. Have you ever felt that? And have you ever felt angry about any of your situation? Have you ever felt angry in any situation that not done? You felt angry, there's some kind of anger in you now looking at your situation. Or have you ever felt that you have missed an opportunity because you did not do what you're supposed to do? Have you ever felt that? Now, if you have felt any of these things, if you have felt bad, if you felt you have not done better, you felt that you are capable of more, felt that you have a problem, or you had an answer to a problem, or if you're angry with yourself that your life has not improved, situation has not improved, or you have not helped your family, or you have not helped anybody who is associated with you. If you are angry that you missed an opportunity, right? Have you felt something like that? then I'm telling you, have no seed. I say seed, I'm telling you, your potential, or have not your full capability, or you have not completely used your ability. You're capable of doing so many things, you end up doing so little things. So that capability is what I'm talking about. Yeah, there's a power in you, as somebody said. Yeah, village workers said there's a power. Have you seen electricity? Electric connection or power. Electricity is called as power. That is it fills your house. Your house is filled with power. Whenever you connect your laptop with the power socket, it powers your laptop. When you connect a grinder, a mixie, a fridge, right, induction stove, that socket, it powers. You connect the light. I have not connected my light. I'm turning on my light. It gives light. Yeah, there's power. You can't see the power. Same way, there's so much of power in you. There's so much of capability in you. You don't see that, and you don't see that. Okay. Um, 1 minute, please. Okay, guys. Let me quickly check my settings. Uh, hey, I've been told that my volume is not so great. Give me a sec here. I'm sorry. Give me a sec here. Let me quickly check my audio settings. Okay, settings looks good. How about now, guys? How is it now? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Am I audible to you guys? Am I audible? Okay. Is my voice okay to you? Am I still not audible? Let me know, please. Let me know if I'm audible. I've changed the settings. Is it okay? Divarajan, village worker, am I audible? Can you confirm? Still won't increase the volume. I have to change the settings. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mehta. Thank you very much for your update. Super. And I'll try to be a little audible. I'll make myself comfortable. I'll try to be louder. Okay. Super. So, so now your potential is your seed. It is a seed to success. Right? Now, what are you doing with this seed matters. Yeah. Everything has a potential to grow. Whatever you see in this world, everything in this in this world has a potential to grow. For instance, let us consider a coconut tree, right? A coconut tree has seeds. A coconut tree produces lots of coconut. Each coconut seed. A mango tree produces mango fruit, and in that fruit there's a seed. That seed has the capability to multiply, to grow. Yeah? Now, this coconut tree you have seen in the beaches, alongside the beaches, most people, nobody has planted a mango tree. But you know what happens? As the coconut tree plants itself, the coconut tree, it plants itself. It has a potential to grow. And I'm telling you, there is a potential in you, and you are designed, you are here for growth. By nature, by default, you are programmed to grow. But you know what? It is your mindset, it is your belief, it is your, that limits yourself. Your environment doesn't limit you, it is your mindset that limits you. The family which you are born in is not the limiting factor. The education which you have, which you have had is not the limiting factor. I'm telling you, you have the potential to grow. It is there in you. The potential, the capability is there on the inside of you. Like the coconut tree, it has seeds. And when seed is planted, it grows. So, two ways. We people can grow the coconut tree, yeah. But by default, coconut tree has a capability to reproduce itself or multiply itself. And that is what I'm trying to tell you. Your capabilities or your abilities, potential that is in you is your seed success. If you can use it, if you can use it or utilize it in a better way, the right way, you are set up for success. Yeah. So now that's what I'm going to tell you. That's what I'm going to show you. Okay. Now, what is holding you down? Have you seen a hot air balloon? You don't know what's a hot air balloon? Let me show you the hot air balloon. Right? And this is, have you seen something like this? The hot air balloon of helium air, which produces helium air. And how does this hot air balloon go up? Hot air balloon goes up because of the helium gas. Now, what holds the air balloon down? What holds the air balloon down is a sandbag. You see, sandbags, because of the weight, it holds the air balloon, the hot air balloon down. The hot air balloon is designed to fly, designed to go up. It is not designed to be on Earth. But what holds the hot air balloon is the heavy sandbags. Now you have to ask yourself this question. What is holding you down? What are the things that are holding you down? Are they your choices? Are they the choices which you make? Because somebody said your choices makes you. Yeah. What are you today is a sum of choice which you have made in the past. What you are today, situation which you are in now, which you are now, is because of the choices which you have made in the past. Right? So I want you to think about the choices. I want to reflect on the choices which you have made. I want you to think about the choice. Take a moment, reflect on the choice which you're making now. If you want to change your life, then you have to reflect on the choice. Choose right. Is patience holding you back? Are you too patient? Now, when you're patient, patience is good. But when you're patient, you have to consider two things. One, things you are working for. Two, things you're waiting for. You have to ask this question to yourself. What are the things I'm working for? And what are the things I'm waiting for? Now, if you're patient and if you're waiting for something without working for it, I'm telling you, you are not using your seed. Let me repeat what I'm saying. If you're waiting for success without working with your seed, then you will not have success. So your potential is the seed. If you are not working with it, you're waiting patiently for success to come to you or success to happen to you, I'm telling you, you will not have success. So you have to do, if you're patient, perfect, that's good, that's wonderful. But now work while you're waiting for success, your potential. If you're only waiting and not working, telling you, you're not going to have success. You're not using your seed. You're not planting your seed, and your seed will not grow. Okay. And the third thing which I want to tell you is What is holding you back? Is it price? For most people, price is a constraint. This is something which always hold people. It could be a course. It could be, anything. I tell you what, yeah, dream is free, but the journey is not. Anybody can dream. I had lots of dreams. I still have a lot of dreams. You may have dreams. Dream is free, but the journey is not. Now, what do I mean by that? Okay, so I knew I wanted to become a trainer. So you know what I did? 2013, I left my corporate job, called myself a trainer, started my own training company. It was a social enterprise, and I set out to become a trainer. And my talent worked. Used my talent. I became trainer for TCS. I worked for big corporates. My last assignment was with Oyo. Okay, so it was good. Everything was good, but I never invested in a certification. But I got stagnant. I got stagnant in one part of my life. So you know what I did? I have to take that decision. If I have to go to the next stage of my life, then I have to invest in my dream. So you know what I did? I invested 2 lakh rupees on a coaching certification. Yeah, I invested. I paid the price. So I'm telling you, dream is free, journey isn't. So if you have a dream, you know something is a potential, you want to achieve it. Now pay the price. What is the price you have to pay? Pay it. I'll give you one more example. Yeah, I was a consultant and I wanted to have a full-time job. When I say full-time job, I want to get back into corporate. From being a consultant, I wanted to get back into corporate. And you know what? I had to pay the price. That role which I took up was not in Chennai. The role was in Hyderabad. So I have to leave my family. I have to leave my kids. I have to go to Hyderabad. But when I went to Hyderabad, the company said, "Prasad, come to Gurgaon. Gurgaon." And they said, "Prasad, come to head office. We want you to be in head office. We want to start academy and we want to head the academy." I went there. Now I'm telling you, things would not have happened for me. Things would not have fallen in place, or my dreams would not have come to reality if I had not paid the price. What was the price which I paid? The price which I paid was leaving my family, leaving my comfort zone, being flexible, right? And those were the prices. So what I'm telling you, if you want to use your potential, then pay the price. Don't hesitate, pay the price. Fourth, what is the problem? What is the problem you're facing? What is the problem that is holding you down? Yeah. Somebody said every problem introduces a person to self. Problems are good, It helps you identify who you really are. It helps you to find your strength and your weaknesses. The problems are good. Embrace the problem. But you don't know what is your strength. You don't know what is your problem that is keeping you down. Then I want you to take a strength assessment. I want you to take a strength assessment. I'm going to give you a tip. Yeah. So take a strength assessment. I'm going to put this thing in the chat. Okay. So use the strength assessment. The free thing, guys, strength assessments do cost. You have to pay in dollars. But this thing by Marcus Buckingham. I'll show it to you. Okay. So this thing by Marcus Buckingham is offering this free because of COVID. So this is a wonderful tool. I want you to use this tool free, and they give a complete 14-page report. And this report will give you an insight about your potential. So take this strength assessment. You have to register with your email address. Take this strength assessment, and This is the report the strength assessment has shown me. I'm a stimulator teacher. Okay, so this assessment has again confirmed what kind of person I am. I told you in the beginning, a servant leader, a facilitator, L&D professional, and that is what the report shows again. Stimulator, that's a servant leader. I'm a trainer, that's a teacher. Yeah. So you take your strength assessment and find for yourself what is your potential. Okay, right? So we have come to the last thing, right? So once you find, so that's the report I want to show you. This is my report, my strength. Now, once you finish this report, send it to me on LinkedIn. Connect with me and message me your report on LinkedIn. Let me see who you are and let me rejoice with you. Okay. So, and the last thing, we come to the close. So, guys, very important. You're not using your seeds. You're not using. That's the difference between what I want you to remember what Mahatma Gandhi said. There is always a difference between what you do and what the capabilities. So don't limit yourself. Don't undermine yourself. Be like the helium balloon. Let go of all the weights. Try to identify what are the weights that are holding you down. Is it the choice? Is it patience? Are you waiting too long? Start working on your talents, the gifts. Or is it the price? Are you afraid to pay the price? Or are you someone who only wants things for free? Or are you afraid of the problem? Now, to solve the problem, I have given you the strength assessment, right? And take the strength assessment, find your talent, find your strength, and work with your strength. Don't work with your weaknesses. Okay? All right. If you do this, if you take care of these four things, of things which you hold you down, I'm telling you, you will use your seed to the fullest and you will grow, become successful. Okay. So, guys, we have come to the end. We have 2 minutes. So, I want to introduce you something which I told yesterday. We have now this month we have a lot of offers going on. Right. I want you to use those offers. From November, we won't be having those offers. From November, we are launching our job assistance program. A lot of our customers, a lot of our participants and trainees, they were asking us for this program. So right now, we're going to introduce two bundles. One is the artificial intelligence bundle, and another one is the ESD bundle. Okay, the artificial intelligence bundle. Let me show you this here. Okay, I hope you can see it. Right, it comes with 6 courses. Artificial intelligence bundle, it is coming with 6 courses plus 16 soft skill courses. Okay, plus 16 soft skill courses. So artificial intelligence 6 courses plus 16 soft skills courses with career coaching from me. I will be coaching you directly, right? All for the price of 15,000 only. Okay, and the second bundle is again, it's on ESD, right? Where we have 8 courses, one bundle, 8 courses, again with 16 soft skill courses with personal coaching from me, right? So we'll be having coaching plus soft skills. So what are we doing now? What are we doing here? We are going to teach you both hard skill and soft skill. For you to get placed in an organization, organizations look for 2 skills. They look for technical skills and they look for soft skills. So through this job assistance program, we are providing both the skill at one place. So this is your one-stop shop. If you want to make a career in AI, or if you want to make a career in ESD, we are just for 15,000 rupees, guys. You will not get this. I'm telling you, I charge 1,000 rupees for a session when I coach students. When I coach corporate people, I charge 5,000 rupees per hour. Okay, but with this bundle, we are giving it for you. We're giving two bundles with coaching, soft skill programs, everything, just for 15,000 rupees. Right. So if you want to make a career in AI, choose AI bundle. If you want to make a career in ESD, choose ESD bundle. Okay. So you'll get both technical and soft skill programs. Right. But wait for the announcement. Uh, we'll be launching this on November. So hold your what is it, curiosity until that time. The launch is only on November. But if you want to purchase before that, we have other combo running now. Okay, so you can buy that. But if you want to go for the job assistance program, you can choose this bundle. All right. So thank you guys for being part of this program. I'm excited help you, and we at Pantech we want to really help you. Our focus is helping you guys, right, with both technical and soft skill stuff. So continue to be part of this program. Tomorrow we're going to meet at 5 o'clock with another topic on mindset. Yeah. So be part of a program. Uh, Learn from our visit our YouTube channel. Learn all the videos. Learn from the videos which you have posted already, right? And anything, any question, you can reach out to me. Yeah, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. You can reach out to me on my number, right? So my number is 89399660006, right? And I'll be here there to answer your calls and help you guys. Yeah. Time's up. See you guys tomorrow at 5 o'clock. God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.